Welcome to our beautiful pool villa at the Senses Resort and Pool Villas. You have this beautiful, I guess, atrium or foyer. And we put our shoes here, because you know in Thai culture, you shouldn't wear your shoes in the house. Pool, our own private pool, that overlooks the pond, which is in Phuket. We even have beanbag chairs. And then come this way, and this is our living room. And they give you these beautiful little like lei bracelets, and this is mine, and this is Sean's. He's not wearing his. And they gave us fresh coconut. It's really cold. So, we have this little sitting, a little couch where we can watch TV. It's a huge TV, and it has Bluetooth, so we can play your own music. And we have a little kitchen nook with fresh flowers, and they gave us a basket of fruit, and it says fruit in season. So we have bananas, and Thai bananas are delicious. They're way sweeter than in America. We have green apples, we have oranges, we have red apple. What else we have? Oh, this is a dragon fruit. These are delicious. I'm gonna eat this before we leave. And that's it. So they gave us this. I'm gonna leave this here. It's getting in the way. Gorgeous kitchen. It's so nice. I don't think we'll use it, but it's gorgeous. It has its own little refrigerator. In the fridge, we have a mini bar. So they come with cold water and Chang, which Sean loves. Tastes like Heineken. I'm not a fan. They don't really have like non-beer drinks in Thailand. No wine, no tequila. Coconut juice. What's this? Mango juice, Sprite, and Coke. And I don't think there's anything in here. No. Okay. We checked in. They brought us some more water and some snacks, which I don't know what it is, so let's try it out. Smells like coconut. Ooh. I think it's coconut with sesame seeds, maybe? Okay. We have our own little Keurig. It's not called a Keurig. With coffee, more water. They make sure you stay hydrated in Thailand. And then this just has like forks, and spoons, and cups. Because you can eat in here. You don't ever have to leave. With glasses, so maybe we can get some wine. So one feature of the living room is this. So this controls, like, we can ask for housekeeping to make up the room, to do not disturb. So no more of those little papers that you put outside the door. This controls the AC, and then this controls all the lights inside and then outside lights. Now we're going to show you the bedroom, which is gorgeous. This nice, heavy, solid door, which we found out is soundproof. And you have to push it, or it won't stay open. So this is the bedroom. They have a nice little like working desk. We won't be working. But you have your breakfast, and they have two little cubbies for clothes and closets with robes and hanging space. And this is the bathroom. And with more lights, so let's turn the lights on. And here is the bathroom. Gorgeous. So to the left, we just have, a toilet with a regular toilet with a bidet because it's big over here to use a bidet. This is our gorgeous. It's not a his and her sink. It's not a his and her sink, but it's big enough to be a his and her sink. Look how big it is. More water. And then, of course, they gave us body wash, shampoo, conditioner, and lotion. Gorgeous. And this is our wonderful shower with a rain fall shower head and a handheld. It is gorgeous. There's enough room in here for like 4 people. 4 people could fit in here. So now let's go to the bedroom, and he's gonna do a quick turn. This is our bedroom. See, I already have my iPad here. Full king size bed. We have this gorgeous tub, which they filled with flower petals. So it's so pretty. It's gorgeous. They even gave us a beach bag. Look! Last but not least, we can access our pool from our bedroom. Gorgeous. So we can sleep with the windows open if we want to and get some fresh air. It's beautiful. Look, you got your infinity pool. Wow.
Are you ready to go?
No. It's our last day here in Phuket in Thailand. Our flight's not till 11 p.m. So we're checking out and we're gonna spend the day at the pool, which maybe we'll show because it's gorgeous. So we're spending like 8 hours at the pool. Maybe go for a walk, I don't know. But this room is gorgeous. Phuket is gorgeous. Thailand is gorgeous. And I don't want to go back to the real world.